Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for free cPanel hosting services that let you use your own domains and come with no ads, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be reviewing the top 3 free cPanel hosting services: GoGo Host, FreeHostingcom, and InfinityFree. Let's dive in. First up is GoGo Host. It's one of the most popular free hosting services out there. GoGo Host offers 1 GB of SSD storage, 100 GB bandwidth, and lets you use your own domain. They also provide a free subdomain if you need one. Key features include full control over your hosting environment, clean and professional hosting without any advertisements, ensures your site is secure, and GoGo Host is perfect for beginners and small websites looking for reliable, ad-free hosting. Next is FreeHostingcom, another great option for free cPanel hosting. FreeHosting.com offers 10 GB of disk space, unmetered bandwidth, and the ability to use your own domain. Its key features include managing your website with ease, keeping your site looking professional, creating professional email addresses using your domain, and FreeHosting.com is a solid choice if you need more storage and bandwidth for your website. Last but not least is InfinityFree, a popular choice for those seeking free and unlimited hosting. InfinityFree provides unlimited storage and bandwidth, along with the ability to use your own domain. Its key features include full control over your site, keeps your website ad-free, secure your site with ease, and it is also great for larger sites. InfinityFree is ideal if you need unlimited resources and no ads, making it a versatile choice for many types of websites. And there you have it, our top 3 cPanel hosting services where you can use your own domains and enjoy an ad-free experience. Whether you're just starting out or need more resources for your site, these options have you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.